amigos, amigas, welcome back to my canal. This look is a very simple fall makeup look. It's really easy to do, and it's not that like out there, you know. It's still kind of on the little natural side. So if you want to find out how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. So I went ahead and did my brows off camera, but to moisturize the skin, I'm going to use this Cera Sunscreen Moisturizing Lotion. To fill in my pores, I'm just going to take the Baby Skin by Maybelline, my all-time favorite pore eraser. For foundation, I'm going to take this Cushion Foundation by Maybelline. It's actually really good and it leaves my skin feeling very hydrated. At first, I'm just going to press it in with a stripling brush by e.l.f. and then I'm going to take my Real Technique sponge to kind of take away all the streaks. To conceal the under eye, I'm going to take the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, one of my favorites, and just put it on my under eye, forehead, and chin just to give it a little bit more coverage. And then I'm going to take my Real Technique sponge just to blend it out seamlessly, and I want to make sure I go in all the way into the corner of the eye. I'm just going to take the Fit Me Loose Powder by Maybelline, and I'm just going to leave it on for about 1 minute and then fluff it away. To bronze the face, I'm going to take my favorite bronzer ever, the Hoola bronzer that's in my palette. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to be using one palette today, and it's the Morphe palette. I'm not really sure what it's called, but I will link it in the description box down below. So the first shade, I'm going to take that and put it in the crease of the eye and kind of all over the eyelid. I'm taking these next two shades and adding them in the outer corner of the eye just to give it some darkness and dimension. Then I just like to go in one last time at the end and blend everything out just so there's no harsh lines. Next, I'm going to take this kind of glittery shade and put it in the inner corner of the eye just to give it a little bit of a pop. For liner, I'm going to take this liner by the NYC, and it's super dark and it's probably one of the best eyeliners I've ever owned. For mascara, I'm gonna take this little Chanel mascara I have just to give the lashes a little volume before I apply falsies. These are the lashes I'm gonna be wearing today. I just picked them up at TJ Maxx, and I'm gonna use the glue that came on there as well. I'm gonna go back in and apply some of the orange to the lower lash line just to give it a little bit of pop. I'm gonna apply some of this Hudson Anastasia liquid lipstick just to finish up the look, and then go in with my favorite blush by e.l.f. Thank you so much if you watched this video, guys. I hope you liked the look. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and watch all of my other videos, of course. And if you guys have any recommendations of what you want to see, don't hesitate to comment on my video. I'm not mean, I don't bite, I swear. I will most likely do it, so don't be shy, just let me know. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. Much love to you guys.